Welcome to Ole Lely Resort. This home is offered turnkey and move-in ready. This stunning Capistrano Casita floor plan, boasting 1,776 square feet of living area in this 2-story end-unit home west/8 extra windows plus sun-splashed patio off living area. Plenty of natural light, featuring 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and lives like a single family home. Soaring ceilings plus open living and dining areas are perfect for entertaining. Your gourmet kitchen showcases granite tops, stainless appliances, center island and sizable pantry. Enjoy quick meals at the breakfast bar or eat in kitchen. The second floor has an open loft west/closet, a great space to watch the game. Your master suite west/elegant bathroom west/large soaking tub and separate shower. Side-load 2-car garage west/storage closet. Enjoy the Ole Village Town Center west/movie theater, modern fitness center, ice cream shop, bistro for special events, the pub and spectacular resort-style pool.